everyone, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their services to our We're in Pampanga community. Today's vlog, this is our second time to feature Trence Fitness. So if you remember guys, this is the fitness center that is open 24/7. Napakadalang lang yan dito sa Pampanga. And right now, since we are in this, in the middle of this situation, they are doing this different kind of adjustment. So if you want to know more about this and interested to
Balik Alindog program kayo, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Hi, I'm Coach Lawrence and welcome back to Trence Fitness.
Alright, so dun sa unang vlog namin, we did a group class. I believe it's a circuit training. It was really a great experience, no? But since we are in a situation natin sa pandemic, they have changed their schedules a little bit, but most of the classes as well as the programs, they're still the same. From a 24/7 fitness center, ang stop hours po nila today is Monday to Friday, it's 7 a.m. up until 9 p.m. Saturdays naman, it's 8 a.m. up until 8 p.m. And on Sundays, it's 9 a.m. up until 6 p.m.
Can I show you how much I love you?
Alright, so another adjustment that they did dito sa Trence Fitness is through their Zoom meetings. Ayan, no? So for those who are, kumbaga, hindi pa pwedeng lumabas ng bahay, available pa rin yung mga members nila to join yung mga Zoom meetings.
But baby, heart in hand.
Here at Trence Fitness, we make sure that their safety will be our priority. We have a lot of restrictions when it comes to the operating hours and the safety protocols of the gym. So aside from that, we are offering still a lot of varieties of group exercise classes. Plus, we are allowing some of our members to attend all of our classes via Zoom. When it comes to the upcoming year, so we have prepared a lot of exciting promos when it comes to our gyms. So hopefully you can try to send yourself back to the gym. I'd like to invite everyone here at Trence Fitness, located at Unit U2X at end of gasoline station, Saguin. Here at Trence Fitness, stay fit and stay healthy.
Alright! So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. And if you are looking for a fitness center that will fit your schedule.
Yes, at the same time, yung safety nyo is yung priority nila.
Yes.
You should try this gym, Trence Fitness.
Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, we hope to see you there.
So there you have it. Peace out.
Bye guys.